Within Premiere, there are several ways to cut footage. Before you put your footage onto the timeline, you can double click to open it in the source monitor. From here, you can set an endpoint for your footage by dragging the playhead where you'd like the clip to start and pressing the I key. You can then set an out point in the same way by pressing the O key. If you now drag this clip onto the timeline, only the part you have selected will be placed on the timeline. Once your footage is on the timeline, you can trim the start and the end of a clip by left-clicking on either the start or the end and dragging it as required. Alternatively, by selecting the razor tool, you can cut the clip at a chosen point. You can select this razor tool from the toolbar or by pressing C on your keyboard. You can go back to the selection tool either by pressing V on the keyboard or by selecting the selection tool from the toolbar. To get rid of part of a clip that you don't want, simply click on it and press the delete key. A quick way to trim clips on the timeline is by using the Q and W keys. When the playhead is positioned at a certain point in the clip, pressing Q will delete anything before that point, and pressing W will delete anything afterwards.